what happened? Sayang, are you okay? Can you hear me?
No.
Sayang, what happened? Accident? Did you fall? Did somebody hit you? It looks horrible.
It's hard.
Please show me. Look at the camera, please. Let me see.
It's really hard, sayang.
If you had accident, then I come to Indonesia. I booked the next flight. I'm coming directly to you.
Bye.
Sayang, your face looks normal.
You really wanna come to Indonesia if there is something happen to me?
If there is an accident, of course I'm coming directly. I'm your partner and I will be there for you. I'm taking the next flight. But so you made fun of me again.
Just filter.
Bangsat. I was so worried. You had me really so worried.